This tip could save your life. Let someone know before you go.
Tips and tricks and etiquette. Tips and tricks and etiquette.
Hi, I'm Michael Wright. I'm an adventuring, exploring, hiking, video making guy. And I'm here to give you tips, tricks, and trail etiquette to make your hiking experience that much better. Before I head out that door, I let someone know before I go. Whether it be family, friends, or some random stranger on the street, I make sure to let someone know. Because you never know what's going to happen out on a hike. Even a detailed map like this one sometimes doesn't help. So if you let someone know before you go where you're going and when you're going to be back, they can call the proper authorities if you don't show up. You don't want to be like that idiot in 127 hours and have to cut your arm off, do you? No one wants to be like that dummy. I'm not actually dead, sillies, but I could have been if I didn't let someone know before I went. So maybe ignore that random stranger part and let someone that you do know before you go. And if you want more tips, tricks, and trail etiquette, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the me likey button. And until next time, stay safe, have fun, and don't be a douche.
Tips and tricks and etiquette. Tips and tricks and etiquette.
Num 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 subscribe.